Alright, so we're back in Z Fever, ready to throw Daniel's car back on the dyno. Today's prediction, last time we were here we made 328 on a fuel pump that wasn't really working out for us. So we're thinking probably around 335, maybe even 340 if we're lucky, is what we'll get out of this car. If it's any more than that, I am going to be shocked, to say the least. We'll see how much power this thing puts down. I'm pretty excited. Better on torque. So just from changing the fuel pump, we went up about 3 torque. Still got more left in it. So 328 horsepower, 280 torque, so we are up on torque. About the same on power, but it's super hot today. That definitely makes a big difference, no doubt.
Absolutely nuts how hot Tampa can get. Like, I'll take Miami over Tampa any summer.
Really?
Yeah. Not the only place that I've ever gotten where it's been so ridiculously oppressively hot was like there was a really hot summer in Houston, like southern Houston.
Right.
It got really balmy and got like this, but Dallas was 110. Felt a lot better at 110 in Dallas than it did at like 92 in Houston. This is actually in the protected Pro. Right now it's 99, but that's with the Pro being down there, not out. Like if you put like one of those laser like thermal guns up there, it's about 160 on the roof.
Jeez. So let's see what the what it says. 140 degrees on the ceiling. Let me even get that. 142 degrees. Huh? You got it! 330 horsepower. Bro, and look at your torque.
Well, that's probably a little. I don't know. That's probably a little.
It made like
That
286 torque. car feels
way better than before, bro.
Shifted perfect.
Way better than
Shifted
before.
so much better.
Do a pull.
Let me do pull.
Right here. So I think that's going to wrap up today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more action coming your way on Rico's Garage. We've got a lot more coming soon. Hopefully we'll have the Z finished up here soon and be able to get some more footage of that and everything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting us and everything. We appreciate it, and we'll see you later.